The fuck is happening? Okay, never mind. Let me just restart it. Okay, never mind, I'm not opening that screen again. Today I'm giving 3 AI coding agents the exact same challenge: ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cursor. And they each have 30 minutes to build something that sounds simple. Physics Tetris. Normal Tetris is easy. Every block snaps neatly onto a grid. Every row lines up perfectly. Everything behaves exactly the way you'd expect. Physics Tetris does not. Blocks bounces, they tumble, they slide, they rotate, and the second you add physics, everything falls apart. In normal Tetris, clearing a line is easy. Fill every square, delete the row, done. But in Physics Tetris, what counts as a line? Like, seriously, bro, look at this. If this is a fucking line, that's the problem, and every AI has to solve it. The rules are simple. They will be having 30 minutes, same prompts, same challenge. And if none of them can build something playable, I have to code it myself. And trust me, you don't want to see that. Okay, so for doing that, we will be first using initial master prompt, as you can see in the screen. And I have everything lined up here. We have GPT 5.4, we have Gemini 3.1 Pro, and we have Composer 2.5 Fast. So let me start the challenge, and 3, 2, 1, go. So let me push the prompt in each and every one, and let's see who first does anything. Now let us move ahead and go with our second prompt. Okay, so until it takes time, let us first open and check what ChatGPT has built right now. Okay, so as you can see here, it has built something. Currently, I don't have any keyboard shortcuts or like keyboard workings here. It just has built a small short thing. We'll be adding it shortly. And now let's check for Gemini what it has built. Okay, so as you can see here, Gemini has also built something similar to what ChatGPT has done here. It's a bit same, but like as you can see there, the grid lines aren't there, and it's just a blank piece where everything is falling down again and again. Now let's check what it has built. Cursor has built. Let me open it. Okay, so it took me a whole lot of time, but I don't think so this is working. Okay, so now we are going to add a new rule here. So every AI will be having one lifeline, where if they get stuck or something happens, I can give a follow-up prompt for it to work. So I'll be going with the follow-up prompt. I'll be typing. Okay, so yeah, now it has started working. Like when I press spacebar, it drops something each and every time. I can move it around. So the thing about this is, I didn't had to put any of the control prompts here. Like as you can see here in this, there were no controls or whatsoever. Also here in the ChatGPT version, there were no controls whatsoever. But what this cursor did is it added controls by itself, and yeah, that is impressive. Okay, so now let's just move ahead with our next prompt. Let me refresh it. Okay, so yeah, it works kind of. Okay, yeah, so it really is working a bit. I can move it slightly here and there, and yeah. Now let's check for others. Okay, so what ChatGPT has built us here. Okay, so there is a bit problem in ChatGPT, I guess, because only one has fallen down right now and nothing is going again and again. And also, it already had here, like you can see, I can move around here and there. Okay, so after doing all of that, I think I quite like Gemini more because you can move around more better. Like here you can see this is not moving around a bit more naturally with physics. So here you can feel it like it is moving around here and there, like everything is falling apart. Oh my fucking god, what is happening, bro, here? Okay, yeah, it is working quite good. Okay, so now let's move ahead to our next prompt, that would be landing detection. Okay, so here I can move it around. Okay, so now we have to use the lifeline for ChatGPT also. Okay, so let me just move ahead and type. Yeah, quite good. Okay. So I made a rectangle here. Let me move. Fuck that. Let's just check its version. Okay. Oh, what? Why isn't anything falling down? What? I guess cursor has to use again one lifeline, and because of that we'll be deducting 1 point out of it from the final score. Like, this is glitching out. Oh my god. Let me check if ChatGPT has fixed anything or not. Okay, yeah, okay, now it is fixed. Okay, now it's a bit good. Okay, so no, what? Bro, what the fuck is happening? Okay. Never mind. Let me just restart it. Okay, never mind. I'm not opening that screen again. Okay, so let me check if cursor did anything. Okay, let's wait for cursor, and let me make the next prompts ready. Okay, so it's been almost 14 minutes and still now cursor haven't fixed its thing. I guess so. Cursor is qualified. Let's just move around with the two left versions. One is our VS Code and the next is anti-gravity. Okay, so let's just move ahead with our next prompts. Okay, ChatGPT is done with him and Gemini is also done. Let me accept it. And okay, so here we can see one is settled, two is settled, one is active. Okay, here we can see the scores. Okay, as you know, nothing is being lined up, but I don't know why the score is getting scored here. So it was working quite itself. Active. Okay, the same thing. Okay, so till now we have seen that everything is working quite good. Not a bit bad, not a bit good, but okay, it is okayish. But now let us add something interesting. We are going to add chaos. Okay, so now let me get my next prompt ready and let's start. Okay, so our next prompt is ready. Let me just start it. This thing right here has no clearing thing because I can't even clear one row here. Everything is just spawning over and over again. And I don't even want to open ChatGPT's thing, bro, because that is gonna fry my PC. But let us add something that is gonna help us clear the rows. Okay, so let us first test this. Okay. Yeah. Here. Okay, never mind. Let me try to beat. Okay, yeah. The line is getting cleared. Okay, the line is getting cleared. Yeah. Let me just try it. Let me try ChatGPT's version. Let me try it here. And okay. Nothing is working here. Why isn't the line getting cleared? Bro, this isn't going to... Okay, yeah, it is clearing, but... Okay, so now as we can see, it's been over 23 minutes and we are done with our games here. So let me just pause this. So it took both of the AIs 23 minutes and let us not count cursor. Rest in peace my wallet because I can't buy the Pro. So if you guys can watch the video and hit the like and subscribe button, maybe I can use cursor and maybe we can work with that someday. But currently both of them are working here. Like let me just restart here. Let me first play with Gemini's version. Okay, this thing is working a bit good, I guess. Okay, yeah, this is working good. Now let's just move ahead and go to ChatGPT's version and let's see if it works or not. Okay, it works a bit. It is falling here and there. So the thing I liked about ChatGPT's version is it shows us which line is going to get cleared here. Like if it is going to get cleared this line, like the yellow line you can see in the screen, but as you can see I can't even comprehend to just clear a line. Okay. Now let us score which is the final result of everything. Okay, so we are going to score on playability, stability and Tetrisville, like entertainment, like the visuals. everything. So for scoring, for ChatGPT, I'm going to give playability 5 or 6, and for stability and visuality, bro, this thing is visibly so good and gives like good Tetris feel. For that, I will be giving it like 9 out of 10, straight up good. And for entertainment, like 8 out of 10. And now for Gemini, the playability is, I guess, 7 out of 10 because it is quite playable. And for stability and visuality, I'm gonna give it 7 out of 10. And for Tetris feel and entertainment, I'm going to give it 7 out of 10.